I wish I learn my English language like my mother tongue, but I would not my mother tongue in English language. And I'm so happy that I have my mother tongue is not in English language, and we all not. Okay, so my dear friends, I accept this challenge that I will learn the English language, and you are making this language in a subjective way. First, you learn grammar. Second, you learn that how can I speak English language. Third, you learn that how can I remember the vocabs. So this is totally different. That guys, if you will not practice on your speaking part, so how can you speak in English language in a better way? Okay, so here are no any, you have no any worry, don't worry about it, that first you learn grammar, vocab, and after that the practice sessions. So this is totally about wasting of your time. Okay, so and I would not my mother tongue in English language, and I accept this challenge and I will learn this language, because this is a challenge for me, that if I have a other English language, it's mean England, it's generated from the England, and we are the slam of the England. So this is our opportunity that we will learn the English language and we will work on it. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are new in my channel, so I welcome to all of you learn English with Abhishek. And today in this video I'm gonna upload a video that how can you practice in English language. Okay, so now I had uploaded two videos, that how can you introduce about yourself, and the second thing, how can you practice on your daily routine if you are a beginners. Okay, so this series also for a beginners, also for an intermediate, how can you practice in English language. And I'm also a learner, so that's why I'm here to shoot my video. So this is the day third, but I think that first, before to start the third day, I am going to talk about that how can you practice in English language. Okay, if you have no any partner, so how can you practice. And first time when I was started my journey to speak in English language, so I had no any partners. So how I practice in English language, I'm not good, but quite I'm well, that how can I can explain you, and you understand in a very easy way. So let's begin that how can you practice in English language. Okay, so first, you know that when a baby born in a family, so he cannot speak English language, he cannot a language in her mother tongue. Okay, when he have a atmosphere, when he have a environment of their grandfather, their grandmother, parents, father, mother, so they used to talk in the mother tongue language, like Gadwalis, Kumaonis, Punjabi, Marathi. So they are kind of lots of language, and they speak in a local language. Okay, so the baby, you know, listen carefully, you know, months and months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, that how they are using a words to pronunciation, that who is this guy, and what is the relation with the baby, with the mother. Okay, so he listen carefully, and slowly he understand that this is mom, this is father, this is grandfather. Okay, this is mother, this is brother, this is sister. So this kind of words he listen and try to speak in language after 8 to 9 months. And when he become when he grow of 1 year, so he speak first word, that mom, dad, and after that he crawl down in the surface of the earth, he crawl, and he, you know, mumbled and fumbling with the local language, that how can he speak, how can he narrate and represent the family member. So we all are learners like a baby. Okay, first we have a practice on our listening. If you will become a good listener, so then you can speak a very good English language. So first work on your speaking part, in your listening part, that how can you listen. So I have a one tip for you, that listening. Okay, 5 to 6 months you have need to practice on your listening part, that how can you speak in English language. Okay, so first, you know, the tip is that the how can you practice in listening part, that scrolling listening. Scrolling listening means shadowing speaking. Shadowing speaking means first you watch a video on your YouTube. Okay, if you have, no matter that which video do you want to listen or watch. Okay, it's depend on you, that if you are able to in a very easy way to understand a English speaker, so you can go through with that guy. Okay, so let's for that example, this is my hand, and this is the Android mobile and open your video in English language, and after that open the subtitles and see the video and try to speak in English language when he is speaking in their language, how they are using the words. Okay, so this kind of speaking, speak with you. Okay, speak with them that how they are using the words. So this is the shadowing part of speaking, and then after repeat the all words and the subtitles, sentence structure, that how can you speak, and try to speak in English language. Okay, so this is the shadowing practice. And after that I have been uploading a day 2 series, that one day in introduction and day 2 the daily routine. And people said me that how do you practice in with your friends. Okay, so first basic structure, that where are you from, what is your name, and how do you practice English language, where are you from, and in which class do you study, and what is your hobby. And you can explain your introduction part and daily routine. If you have remember the stories in English language, poems, so you can narrate also it. And the second thing is that when you are alone and you are going to somewhere to work, if you are going to market to purchase the vegetable, if you are going to evening walk with your friends, so think in your mind that how can you speak in language, no matter that what is your level. If you are a beginner, okay, and you feel shy to speak the front of among of the peoples, among of the friends, so try to speak in your mind. Okay, just like that, think about now I'm going to evening walk, my friend is Akshay and Karthik, and he is very closely friend. How can I practice English language? Daily I will read some newspaper, I will watch. So this kind of thinking level you can create in your mind. If one is the most thing, if you will think that no, I cannot speak in language, so it will lose your confidence to front of the peoples. Okay, so the most critical thing is that most important and crucial part is here, that fit by your mentors. Okay, if you will in your mind that yes, I can speak in language, yes, I can do it, so definitely you can do it. If you are thinking that no, I cannot you are feeling shy, that you feel shy, that so no, you cannot do it. So try to speak in English language, and I hope that you will learn through this video. I will practice, and also you understand that how can I speak in English language. Okay, if you have any doubts and queries, so you can ask me in comment section. And if you like my video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon button for the upcoming videos on our day series, that how can we practice on our communication skill. Okay, so with this video I am working on my personality, that how can I use my body language to explain the words, explain the videos and the sentence structure. So this kind, and through the what I analysis my previous video, that I have a lack of body language, and I'm working on it. So how I visualize it, how I realize it, guys, I shoot a video and I upload in the evening time or in the night time, and after that I watch 2 and 3 times by the other channels, and by my own channel I watch it. So then I realized that yes, I am lacking, I am doing this type of mistakes, or I am repeating the words, I have no any vocab words. Why I analysis it? Because I shoot the video. Okay, so this kind of analysis you can do yourself if you have no analysis power. And it's mean how you will feel the realize, okay, that you are not in good, so you have more practice on it, because until you will not practice on your skill, until you will not practice regular. Okay, and the next thing is that consistency matter here. Okay, if you are a good listener, if you are a good writer, if you are a good listener, so you can speak in English language. If you are not consistent in a regular basis, and let's one day you are shooting a video or speaking with some part, and after 1 month you are speaking with, and you are thinking that I am good in English, so why I have need to speak in English language. So and the other is that who is a beginner and he is doing the practice regular in a regular basis. He is the consistent and he not break their daily routine, so he speak very well after 1 year. Okay, so this is the language, this is the game of the practice, this is the game of totally consistency. And here your talent not matters, here your hard work matters, that how do you practice. And before to start this video, I also explained you this is not our mother tongue, also me and also you are, so this is a language for us, and do not make it subjective way. Okay, so first try to speak in language. Do not think that I have no any grammar, I have no any vocabs. You have, no matter that how much you have vocabs, so please speak in language that if what is happening sound at you, what is happening in your family members, try to explain in a language, okay, in an English language, so it will make you better than others. Okay, so the other thing is that in the last part of this video, and that after I will end the video, that if you are a beginners and you have no any partners, so when I used to practice on English, okay, so I search on YouTube channel that how can I practice. Okay, so I have met two free applications, Let's Talk, and I think nowadays is the name of the Buddy Talk and Open Talk, so you can also enroll and fill the registrations. This is of costly free, and you can practice, you can connect with the other states people and foreign countries people, so you can speak. And there are so many options that on which topic do you want to practice, like storytelling, introduction part, beginners, intermediate, advanced level speakers, on the random topics like news reporting, which kind of videos and speaking partner do you want. So this kind of practice you can do it. So do practice and do regular basis, and do not break your consistency. Thank you. Keep learning and keep stay. Thank you. Learn English with Abhishek.